The third edition of Anambra State Mathematics and Igbo Quiz Competition for senior secondary schools have ended in Awka. Justice Onyemobi, who covered the event, filed this report taken from her.
The event, which was organized by the Best Brain Contest, a non-governmental organization, an educational platform that was established by Awka Group to uplift the standard of education across Anambra State, as well as to help talented children to actualize their dreams in education, attracted 21 schools from 21 local government areas of Anambra State. Addressing the students, the chairman and chief executive officer at Awka Group and Best Brain Contest, Dr. Frank Igbo, explained that they organized the quiz competition because of their love for education and humanity, emphasizing that they added Igbo language in order to encourage the students to speak their mother tongue, which is Igbo language, to prevent it from going into extinction. Dr. Igbo also thanked the key partners for their support in promoting education through their immense contribution to the foundation, and charged the students to always read their books to make both their parents and the foundation proud.
The essence of all this is to continue to promote education of the young ones. Best Brain Contest did their first edition and second edition last year, and last 2 years and last year, and today is the third edition. We shall continue to be doing this thing. I am through my electoral resources I make from my businesses.
Also speaking, the state chairman, Actors Guild of Nigeria, Evangelist Leo Ewuzie, who also serves as one of the examiners, commended the winners, who are all girls, and urged youth to shun get-rich-quick syndrome to avoid distraction in their education pursuits.
Encourage the boys to go back to their books and read, study hard. There is no reason the girls will take all the best positions and the boys were there as onlookers of what. They should bend down and study, because education is still the root of success in everything you do. If you don't get educated, neither will you get anything best.
At the end of the competition, Miss Ibebu Victoria from Community Secondary School Ndiowu won a mathematics competition, while Miss Nwafo Precious from Abbott Girls Secondary School Ihiala won Igbo quiz competition.
My heart is just filled with appreciation. I would like to say a big thank you, and I also pray to God to continue to bless them from what this foundation stuff do not, that God will continue to replenish them. They will not get right up. That is my prayer, because I'm really grateful.
The event featured presentation of Best Brain Contest Education Icon Award to some of the key partners, including ITEL Mobile, IG Agwo Academic and Health Foundation, Fela Ejiofor Foundation, and Awka Zag Foundation, amongst others. Presentation of cash prizes, certificates, and other prizes, including gold medal, to the winners forms the high points of the event.